All right, chip of the day. The chip of the day is a chip from Nuvoton, ISD1820 series. We actually have the 1820. It is a single chip, single message, voice record playback device, 6 to 16 second duration. All right, so what is this little beast? Well, let's see here, 16... blah, 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 features. All right, so here's a block diagram. So microphone comes into an amplifier. There's an automatic gain control here. Goes into an anti-aliasing filter and gets stored. And then once it gets stored, you can save it, and then you can output it. And there's a smoothing filter and then an amplifier. So you can record it into memory, and then memory goes out. So let's see. Here is a block diagram. A lot of no connects. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. What do the pins do? VCC. Record button. If the record button goes high, it records. Otherwise, you do a play edge activated or a play level activated. So edge activated means you press it once and it plays the whole message. Level says it only plays while you hold it down. Microphone input, microphone ground, automatic gain control. You can put a capacitor on that to do that kind of thing. There's a speaker output, so it has a little amplifier built in. Analog supplies, resistor controlled oscillator, okay. Clock and, all right, let's see here. Typical duration. So it's going to sample the waveform, and depending on the internal clock, it will record for a smaller number of seconds or a larger number of seconds. And so you can change the oscillator clock with a resistor and then either have more high fidelity short-term stuff or a longer, lower fidelity type stuff. Some waveforms, la. Okay, let's see here. Boring. Okay, what kind of voltage do we need here? Let's see. Absolute max. I guess it'll operate up to 7 volts. Play voltage, yeah, 2.7 to 4.5. Okay, so not up to 5 volts, 4.5. Okay, so 3.3 is legitimate. Typical characteristics, 4 milliamps, blah, 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 speak, blah, blah, blah. All right. Okay, good. Here's some schematics. Has 2 schematics. Typical application, you put some buttons on it, and it plays back. All right, and here's another one where, okay, what is it? I don't know what the difference is between these two. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. There's a microphone and a speaker and some switches. Okay, so you can buy these modules. So these modules are all over the internet, and this is an ISD1820. It has all the buttons: record, play edge, play level, repeat. So I guess it'll repeat itself. And then some type of FT filter or something like that. You can switch in and out. It's got a bodge on it. Look at that, bodge. All right. Where's that bodge go? Pin, the last pin, the pins. Huh. Wait a minute, where's the VCCD? Huh. Why does it have a resistor on? Oh, there's a pull-up. They're using that and they're pulling up something. Anyway, doesn't matter. There's a bodge on it. Okay, let's hook up some power. Turn on the power supply. Let's see. VCC is here. Ground is here. And we're going to need a speaker. So I happen to have a little speaker here we can play with. We can put that on the terminal block over here. Okay, it does have a built-in microphone. Let's see here. Do I have 3.3? Okay, we'll turn that on. No LEDs. Let's hit the play button. Oh, that's loud. Whoa. Okay, so it already has some pre-recorded stuff in it. I guess when you buy it, they put something in it. All right. Let's see, there's a level play. Yeah, so when you let up, it stops. And then I guess if we hit record, we can override the zoomy thing. You are watching the IMSAI Guy channel. Uh-oh, that didn't sound very good. Maybe needed the filter in. Try it again. You are watching the IMSAI Guy channel. Okay, that didn't work at all, did it? Maybe you just have to click record once. You are watching the IMSAI Guy channel. Well, it's not working. It's not working. Let me talk into it louder. You are watching the IMSAI Guy channel. Nope. Fail. Alright, my camera timed out again. I have a new camera on order. This one's been flaking out on me, so I have a new one on order. So let's see here. It wouldn't record anything. And then I decided to poke around in it, and it seemed like the microphone maybe wasn't working. So I removed the microphone, and it seems as though the microphone was put in backwards. Okay? There's supposed to be 4.7K up and 4.7K down. That's not telling you much here. So the electric microphone needs 4.7K pulled up and 4.7K pulled down on these pins. And that there's an FET in these electric microphones. I did a video on those ones. And so now I put it in the right way, and now the microphone is working because if you see this? You can hear it coming out of the speaker. So, hello, testing 1, 2, 3, test. So, the microphone's working, but it's stuck in record mode or in, I don't know, it's not, the little record light comes on, but now it's, I don't know. It's totally bonkers now. But the microphone is in the right way now, but it's just feeding through. It's not recording now. I don't know. I think I got a reject module. Anyway, we did get to hear it make a sound though, but yeah, big fail.